This mechanic uses tape on the end of a scraper and a dead blow hammer to easily and safely remove the trim from this vehicle. This is what a true mechanic looks like. He does this safely and professionally. If you think fixing dents on your cars is difficult, this mechanic uses suction cups to pull dents out of this vehicle. He makes it look so easy. Would you try this at home? This mechanic shows you how to change a timing belt without bothering the alignment. He begins by using a razor to cut the old timing belt in half lengthwise. He then begins to remove one half of the timing belt, leaving the other half in place. This keeps your timing in perfect alignment. He then slides the new belt halfway on and cuts away the old belt completely. Then seats the new belt completely on the pulleys, making the alignment perfect. Subscribe for more hacks like this.